Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button while using camera at this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here, and now we go to the settings at the right corner to get access to more advanced settings at the left corner. And here we are in the camera settings. So to get access to volume button function, we have to slide down to the quick settings here, and as you can see, here we are in the volume button function, and we can change how to use our volume button while cooperating with the camera. So volume button is here, and we can manage this and pick shooter countdown, zoom and volume. So I'm going to pick zoom to show you how it works. And now I'm going to click on this button to zoom, and as you can see, here we can get closer, and also here we can go back by using this down button here. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.